Bengali has familiar and polite forms for pronouns. The familiar form is used with somebody about your age that you know very well, or with somebody who is younger. The polite form is used with somebody who is older than you, somebody you have just met, or somebody that you don't know very well. Pronouns such as he or they can also depend on location, whether the individual being referred to or the grouping referred to is here, there, or elsewhere.
আমি, তুমি, এ, ও, সে, আপনি, ইনি, উনি, তিনি। আমরা, তোমরা, এরা, ওরা, তারা, আপনারা, এরা, ওরা, তারা। আমার, তোমার, এর, ওর, তার, আপনার, এর, ওর, তার। আমাদের, তোমাদের, এদের, ওদের, তাদের, আপনাদের, এদের, ওদের, তাদের।